Welcome, from the XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and at least for me, the Do Not Disturb mode is located on the second page, so you can see right here the little moon icon. Now the position of this toggle might vary a bit, so keep that in mind. But from there, you can hold that toggle and it will take you to the settings. And in here you have all the different presets. You have the regular, all sounds will work normally, silent, calls and notifications will be silent, and do not disturb mode, so silent sounds, and turn off vibration except for the alarms. And then you also have a schedule. So you have one preset one, which you can tap on it to view how it is exactly set. So it's from 11 till 7 every day, so it's basically a night one. Now you can tap on add one and create your own, change the name to something else, for instance, remove this, whatever, and then days of the week. So you have everyday, weekends, weeknights, weekends, and custom. When you go into custom, you can create a personalized one. So it's gonna make something like this. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's just confirm that. And let's make it a work one. So for instance, 9 to 5. So 9 to 5. There we go. And from here you also have the silent mode, DND. That's what I would keep on. You can also go to silent if you want. Then tap on the check mark, and you can see now it's enabled, so it will be turning on and off automatically at the given time and day of the week. And also in the we should be able to customize, there we go, and the DND allow incoming calls. So you have from anyone, from contacts only, stared contacts only, or none. Stared contacts is just a different way of calling our favorite contacts. And then below we have notification or notify about repeating callers. So as an example, if you have none here, you enable this. If any contact calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to still reach you, no matter what the setting here is. And this is good for emergency situations where people usually tend to call multiple times within a really short period of time. So you can enable that, and they will actually be able to reach you. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can leave this. So at the moment outside, it's gonna be, like I said, turning on and off automatically, but you can still do it yourself by simply tapping it on and off like so. And now when it's blue, it's on. So that is how you would enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.